Good morning. Today is Sunday, December 17, 2023, and here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Story 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Sunday, December 17, 2023. Here are the STL Story 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for December 17, 2023, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Sunday, December 17, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.